In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a Game Pass for Please Donate. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a lot of people think that you can make passes inside of Please Donate, but that's actually not how it works. Instead, you're going to want to go to roblox.com/home, and once you are signed in with your account, go ahead and select this little create tab right here. From here, go ahead and select creations, and you're going to see all of your creations on here. You're going to want to select your place. Just make sure this place is public or this will not work. After you have your place public, essentially, just go ahead and scroll down, and what you're looking for is this monetization tab right here. Go ahead and go specifically into the passes tab, and then select create a pass. When you hit create a pass, you can upload an image for your pass, you can put a name on here, and then of course you can go ahead and put a description as well. And then from here, go ahead and select create pass, and this is completely free to do, by the way. But after you do that, return back to this passes tab and find that pass on here. As you can see, I actually have a lot of these. Essentially, just go through, find that same pass that you just made, click on it, and then on this left-hand sidebar, you're going to see a sales option. Select that, and this is where you're going to list that pass for sale just by ticking this on just like so, putting your default price here, and I would also recommend enabling regional pricing as well. After you go ahead and do that, hit save changes, and as soon as you do that, you are good to go. Just keep in mind, Roblox is going to take a 30% cut of whatever your price is. So if it's $10, they're going to take 3 Robux for you, and then of course you'll make 7. So just keep that in mind. But as soon as you get this saved, you can go back to Please Donate, interact with the stand, and you'll see your pass pop up on there. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.